So these are short versions of the video I uploaded on this topic. I divided them into parts to make it easy to access individual processes I use in editing this picture. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Alright, so we're going to load our image up into Photoshop by just dragging and then dropping our image into Photoshop. Yeah, so we have our image over here. Apparently, I'm using CameraRaw 10.2. I don't know what you'll be using though, but as long as you have CameraRaw installed on your Photoshop, it's going to open up for you automatically, especially when the picture is a raw file. Yeah, this picture is a raw file, so you're going to have it in RAW opened in CameraRaw for you. All right, so I'm going to do some basic editing over here. I'm just going to increase the exposure a little like this. Then I'm going to leave the contrast. I'm going to decrease the shadow. Let me zoom out a little bit. Then I'm going to increase the whites. Yeah, just for the background. I want it to look as even as possible. That's the background. All right, so the blacks, I'm going to decrease the blacks a little bit like this. I think it's okay. And then I think it's okay. So let me check the before and after. So this is the before and then there's the after. I think it's looking much better. Basic editing is okay. So I'm just gonna set it back to default. All right, so we're just gonna open our image by clicking on open image. It's gonna open up in Photoshop for us. Yeah, so here we have it. I already edited this image and this is the final result. But for the sake of the video, for the sake of the tutorial, so I decided to re-edit it again, right? So this is what we have now. So what I'm going to do next is